Have you ever watched a documentary and thought, that kind of 3D scene looks amazing, but there's no way I could pull that off? Well, the truth is, you actually can. And you don't need fancy software, editing experience, or a big team to do it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create stunning 3D visuals, step by step, using just a few AI tools, even if you're a total beginner. First, I open ChatGPT and go to the GP tab. In the search bar, I type Documentary-Style 3D Image Generator. You'll see a GPT tool designed specifically to generate 3D documentary-style images. Click Start Chat. It will ask how you want to start. I choose the second option. Are you ready for my scene description? Meaning I'll describe the scene I want to create. Now, here's my scene prompt. Armed police officers surround a bank entrance, detaining masked suspects with hands up. ChatGPT instantly gives you one main scene and 5 B-roll prompts. If you're not familiar, B-roll is just supporting footage that helps tell the story, like extra visuals between narration in documentaries. Now, ChatGPT will ask which B-roll prompt you want to use. Just pick one. For example, I'll go with Scene 1. Next, it'll ask for the aspect ratio. Type YouTube, which sets the format to 16:9, perfect for YouTube videos. ChatGPT will begin generating your image. But keep in mind, sometimes the results might be a little blurry or off. That's okay. You can improve them in the next step. To make the image sharper, go to openart.ai. Click the Imagine 4 model. This is based on Google's latest image model, and it works great for documentary visuals. Upload the prompt and regenerate the image in high quality. Review your images to make sure they match your idea. Once you're happy with the visuals, download them to your device. Now it's time to turn those images into video. Open Kling AI, go to the Video tab and upload the images you just created. It'll ask you to paste the prompt. Just use the one ChatGPT gave you, or tweak it a bit if needed. Next, select the video duration and hit Generate. Kling will turn your image into a short 3D video clip with background music automatically added. Want that professional documentary narration? Go to 11 Labs, click the Voices tab, and filter with these tags. Storytelling, high quality, male voice, American accent. You'll find voice models that sound just like what you hear in Netflix or History Channel documentaries. Example narration line. Under the unblinking aim of the law, the suspect knelt, the standoff etched into the city's memory. Sound epic enough? Finally, bring it all together in CapCut Online. Open a new project, drop in your clips, and arrange them on the timeline. Add smooth transitions, narration, and background music. Export in 4K, and your cinematic 3D documentary is ready.
Under the unblinking aim of the law, the suspect knelt, the standoff etched into the city's memory.
This was a historical moment where the destiny of an entire empire was decided. This event marks the beginning of the war between law and technology.
And that's it. The full process to create cinematic 3D documentary-style videos with zero editing skills required. I've included all the tools and links in the video description. Just follow each step and you're good to go. If this helped you out, hit like, so YouTube knows you want more tutorials like this. And don't forget to subscribe to Hunter Hill AI. We've got tons of new AI tools coming your way to help you save time, make money, and create smarter content. Thanks for watching.